Everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick look again here at Ethereum, seeing what's going on here. This is actually good news. We can see the price action broke through that resistance level. Didn't get that rejection at 3360. 3360 is that resistance. Should be a new support level for us, which we can kind of see here. Nice little bullish back test there more recently. So awesome stuff there for ETH. Let's quickly double check some backend data, kind of just see where we're at here with the overall liquidation, and kind of go from there. So if you're new to the channel, just want to say welcome aboard. Hope you can learn some today. If you do want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech is a site. Link down below. We actually took some nice healthy profits from Ethereum here recently. Solana 15%, XRP 6. There we go. ETH, little 6% there. These are scalps, by the way, for my day trading buy. It looks like Solana is our bitch here lately. Can I say that? Yeah, I think I can. Take a look here at Bitcoin, 30%. Nice little long position there from 60,000. Or roughly an average price of 59.1. And of course, we had a short from 67,000 down to 59,000. So we're kind of riding both directions, down and then up. So it's been a pretty solid situation there. Taking a look here at liquidation for Ethereum. So this last 7 hours here, we can see a ton of liquidation above and below the price action. This is quite a lot. I mean, we got like every red line here that you can see is roughly $1.5 billion. That's to the downside at 3,200. We highlighted that yesterday. There's new shorts here entering the market as well, upwards about 3,550, 3,600. So my speculation is those levels will get swept, and that's mainly because I feel like Bitcoin's going to continue to push up to its current upper liquidation levels. So let's take a look here really quick at the last month and just clarify. Holy cow, it's good, 10 to 20 billion dollars worth of liquidation at 3,900. Not saying we're going to see that price point anytime soon. That's quite a big ask, but it is still something that's relevant, right? So big picture, Ethereum has a lot more liquidation on the upside than the downside. We have these lower levels here, which are still sizable, maybe 5 or 6 billion per line here at about 31 to 3,200. Okay? So it's not to say we're in the clear just because the price action is moving up and there's liquidation above the price. It doesn't mean it has to go that way. It's just important to recognize that that is still a very relevant detail. Okay. So now that we kind of have that foundation, we understand generally the areas of manipulation. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily and work our way down. Again, just to clarify, this chart here has become invalidated, this little downtrend, because of the fact that we are tentatively, so far today, tentatively above that 3360 mark. Okay? So we're no longer going to see that rejection or that continuation lower. But this X on the chart is roughly what I was looking for a candlestick closure to be able to have confirmation to take a long. It's generally going to be above the most recent high. So we're going to wait and talk about that in a minute. But to clarify, we're over the 100-day SMA now, and obviously the 200, still below the 20 and the 50-day SMA. So all in all, not too bad. It's a nice little recovery here. Is it perfect? No. Stochastic swinging up, MACD trying, and we're still under 50 on the RSI. So until we get over 50 here, folks, there's really not much to say as far as confirming a bullish trend. We want to be above this descending trend line too. But once more, this 0.5 fib, that $3,400 mark, closing above that today would be very important to give us confirmation that we're in the right shape, the right track. So we look at this here. First of all, we got this more recent double bottom here. That's why that was a potential resistance level. That's become invalidated for the moment. But if we also take a look at the candle bodies here, right there at 0.5, it's holding pretty strong. So it's important to be above that level now, because that's our tentative resistance for the day. It's 3,400. So closing above that would be absolutely beneficial. We take a look at everything else here. Stochastic swinging up. We're getting close to 50 on the RSI. Again, closing at this level or higher would put us above that naturally. And then money flow index is increasing with MACD converging. These are generally favorable signs. Minus, of course, you got to recognize we're under all 4 moving averages. So again, this is not a walk in the park. This is not perfect. My speculation is the price will kind of come up here. In a perfect world, consolidate and bounce off this level or this level. Okay, because again, you need to see that natural correction. I would say that Bitcoin's probably due for one as well. That 61.5 mark, and then potential bounce from there. Looking at the 1 hour, this is one of the few coins right now that is technically above the cloud. I generally like to wait 4 hours before I get any kind of, try to go crazy with the long position. But at this point here, this is looking pretty solid. We can also see this fairly definitive line. Bitcoin has a very similar circumstance. Previous high turned into the new low. So hypothetically, the price comes down. We see a bounce here at this point. So all in all, Ethereum's looking pretty strong on the shorter term time frame. The momentous indicators are letting us know we've shifted momentum. We're above some key levels here. We just want to kind of see where we're at here for the daily. Preferably we close at, once again, 3,400 or higher, and or at the very least, 3,380 or higher. Okay, those are the 2 areas we have to close above today to have some confirmation. Last thing we want to look at here is a point of control. Yesterday, if I recall correctly, the point of control was down this 35.60 mark, or no, correction, 33.15. So you can see the bears were controlling yesterday's price action. So far here today, the bulls are in play. The point of control is at 33.72. That's actually really good. Good in the sense that it's right there at that 33.80 mark that we want to be able to see a bounce off of. In other words, the price does pull back. I would say 33.80 seems like a sensible area of consideration. Okay? So again, some nice solid situations here for Ethereum. This is definitely on my list of potential coins to trade. If we take a look at this and you compare it with Bitcoin, it's similar, but also slightly more bullish, and it's broken above some key levels where Bitcoin still has yet to do that. Okay? So good stuff here from Ethereum. Hope this made sense and I clarified this correctly. I want to say thanks for watching. If you are newer to the channel, or maybe you've been watching for a while, you've used my link to register for BitUnix, which is down below, of course. Use this link to register. You get a nice little bonus there, deposit bonus between now and the 30th of June. Take advantage of that. Only a few days left. Also, jump on over to our Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, and now TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Okay, so awesome stuff there. Definitely a lot of fun. Absolutely appreciate the wonderful feedback. Happy to provide that for you too, folks. Thanks again so much. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.